What if I told you that those viral, glowing, word-by-word captions you see on every trending reel and short, the ones that literally keep viewers glued to the screen, can actually be generated automatically in under 60 seconds? And no, I'm not talking about manually typing each word in Premiere Pro or After Effects. I'm talking about real AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Now here's the problem most editors and content creators face. There are hundreds of caption tools out there, and 90% of them either look cheap, charge way too much, or give you zero control over editing. So in this video, I'm going to break down the only two AI caption generator tools I personally use and trust. One is super budget friendly at just $10 a month, and the other is a premium tool that I actually pay for every single month because it saves me hours of editing time. Stick around till the end because the second tool has one feature that completely changed how I edit captions for long videos, and it's something almost nobody talks about. Tool number 1, Captions.ai. So the first tool is Captions.ai, and this is hands down one of the easiest viral caption generators out there. You've probably seen those animated, stylish captions in trending reels. Yeah, this is a tool behind a lot of them. Now let's talk pricing first, because I know that's what you're thinking about. The plan starts from just $9.99 per month, basically $10. And honestly, for $10 you get unlimited caption generation plus a bunch of extra features. If your only goal is to generate captions, this plan is more than enough. I'll be real with you. Captions.ai is one of my all-time favorite tools. I personally used it for almost 1 to 2 years straight. Right now, I'm not using it actively, but I still recommend it for beginners and budget-conscious creators. Now, let me walk you through the interface. Once you open the dashboard, it's super clean and beginner-friendly. All you have to do is click the upload button and you can drop your video right in. There's also an option to generate AI videos using prompts, but honestly, I never use that. My focus has always been just captions. You'll also see other features here like AI Creator, AI Edit, AI Shorts, and AI Twins. AI Shorts is actually a really cool one. If you have a long video, it can automatically generate multiple short clips from it. AI Twins basically lets you create your own AI clone, like a custom AI version of yourself. But these features usually need extra credits, so I'd suggest just playing around with them once you're comfortable. For this video, we are focusing only on captions. So here's the workflow. Click the upload button, pick your video, hit create project, and let it upload. Once the video is processed, you'll see a default caption appear on screen. Something like, "That's just the basic version." Now click on the template section, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see tons of caption styles, different fonts, different animations, different vibes. Exactly the kind of styles you see on viral reels. Pick whatever fits your content. You can resize the caption, position it anywhere on the video, and there are literally 90 to 100 different caption styles available. For $10 a month, that's a massive library. You'll definitely find something that matches your brand. But, and this is important, I have to be honest about the drawback of this tool. The editing experience is not great. If you have a spelling mistake or a wrong pronunciation, you have to fix it line by line inside this small box. There's no way to see the full transcript at once. So if your video is long, this becomes really frustrating. You're squinting at this tiny box, hunting for commas and typos. It's a UI problem in my opinion, it just needs more space. But here's a good feature to balance it out. You can split a phrase into individual words. So if you want each word to appear separately on screen, like the trending viral caption style, you just hit apply and it breaks the line down into single words. You can also adjust the timing of each word. That gives you full control over the rhythm of your captions, which is super important for viral content. Once you're happy with the result, just hit the export button. It lets you export in either 30 FPS or 60 FPS, so you can choose based on your platform. I don't have an active subscription right now, so I can't show you the full export, but the process is super smooth. So that's tool number 1, Captions.ai. Cheap, easy, tons of caption styles, but the editing UI could be better. Tool number 2, Vizard.ai. Alright, so now let's talk about the second tool, Vizard.ai. This is the tool I'm currently using and actually paying for. It's my personal favorite right now, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. Now first, let me talk about the pricing real quick. This one it's a bit higher than Captions.ai. The yearly plan comes out to around $16 per month. But if you go monthly, like I do, it's $29 per month. So yeah, it's almost 3x the cost of Captions.ai. But here's the thing, and this is why I still pay for it. The features it gives me literally save me hours of work, like actual hours, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. One thing you need to know, Vizard works on a credit system. With the $29 plan, you get 600 credits per month. One credit equals 1 minute of video. So if you upload a 3-minute video, it deducts 3 credits from your balance. The good news is that unused credits roll over to the next month, so you never lose what you don't use. That's actually a huge plus for me. Alright, let me show you the interface. I've already created a new project here. So let me drop in the same reel I used earlier. There we go. You can see right away, the system is telling me this video will cost 1 credit because it's only 16 seconds long. My monthly balance is 570 credits left, so it'll deduct from there. Okay, so the upload is finishing. And here comes the part that actually made me switch from Captions.ai to Vizard. Look at this. On the left side, you'll see the full transcript panel. Clean, readable, all in one view. If you've ever used Descript, this layout feels almost identical. And this is exactly why I prefer Vizard over Captions.ai. In Captions.ai, you're stuck reading captions line by line in this tiny little box. But here, the entire script is right in front of you. You can scan it, edit it, fix mistakes in seconds. It's so much faster. Now let's look at caption styles. I'm going to click on the caption right here, and then I'm hitting the subtitle option. You'll see a bunch of presets here, not as many as Captions.ai, I'll be honest, but more than enough to create viral quality captions. My personal favorite, the glowing caption style. Those neon, glowing, word-by-word captions that are super trendy right now on Reels and Shorts. And you can fully customize everything. Change colors, change fonts, resize, reposition it, decide whether you want 1 line or 2 lines of caption on screen. The customization is pretty solid. But okay, here's the killer feature, the one that actually made me pay for this tool. I'm clicking on Edit Subtitle, and then I'm clicking on the paragraph option. This right here, this is where the magic happens. Instead of editing each line separately, you can now select the entire paragraph at once. So if you already have a clean, verified script, like I always do, you just copy your script, paste it directly into the paragraph field, and it instantly replaces all the captions with your perfect text. No more line-by-line corrections. No more squinting at typos. Just paste and go. For long videos, this feature alone has saved me probably hundreds of hours. Like if you've ever tried to manually fix captions for a 30-minute video, you know how painful that is. Vizard makes it a 30-second job. Seriously. But Vizard doesn't stop at captions. There's a whole bunch of extra features that basically turn it into an all-in-one editor. You get a built-in audio library for background music. See this? It's also connected to storyblocks and pixels, so you can directly search for stock B-roll inside the editor. Just type any keyword, there we go, and you can drop the stock clip right into your timeline. Super convenient. You can also add transitions, text overlays, and there's even a brand kit feature. Though brand kits need a higher subscription tier, so I don't have access to that right now. There's a full set of AI tools built in too, just like Descript, silence removal, auto reframe, emoji generation for subtitles, and more. It's basically everything you need in one place. And the absolute best feature for me, and this is the reason I use this every single day, direct social posting. You can connect your Facebook, Instagram, X, all your social accounts inside Vizard. Once your video is ready, you just hit one button and it posts directly to all your platforms. No exporting, no uploading, no jumping between apps. This single feature has saved me so much time on a daily basis, like so much time. So bottom line, if you're tight on budget, go with Captions.ai. It's solid, affordable, and it has a massive caption library. But if you want a complete content creation workflow with the easiest editing experience and direct social publishing, Vizard.ai is absolutely worth the $29 a month. I personally use it every single day, and it's earned a permanent spot in my workflow. So that's it for today. These are the only 2 AI caption generator tools I personally trust to create viral, scroll-stopping captions for Reels and Shorts. Pick the one that fits your budget, master it, and watch your content quality jump overnight. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Upcraftz and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. I drop new videos every week on DaVinci Resolve, AI tools, After Effects, Premiere Pro, plus full trainings on Fiverr and Upwork to help you grow your freelance career. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I personally read and reply to every single one. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay creative, and goodbye.